SolidWorks Electrical is a powerful suite of tools tailored for electrical design and automation. It integrates seamlessly with the wider SolidWorks CAD environment, allowing for comprehensive and streamlined design processes that encompass both mechanical and electrical aspects. This holistic approach significantly enhances collaboration, reduces errors, and accelerates product development cycles. One of the standout features of SolidWorks Electrical is its schematic design capabilities. Users can create detailed 2D schematics that define the electrical interconnections between various components. The software supports a wide range of symbols and part libraries, which can be customized to meet specific project needs. These schematic diagrams are not static, they are intelligent, meaning they carry metadata and connectivity information that can be leveraged throughout the design process. SolidWorks Electrical also excels in 3D electrical design. It allows designers to place electrical components within the 3D CAD model of the product. This integration ensures that the physical layout of electrical components aligns perfectly with the mechanical design, helping to identify and resolve potential spatial conflicts early in the design phase. Moreover, it supports routing of wires, cables, and harnesses in 3D, providing a realistic representation of the electrical system within the product. Another critical aspect of SolidWorks Electrical is its automation capabilities. The software can automate many repetitive tasks, such as wire numbering, generation of terminal strip drawings, and creation of bill of materials, BOM. This automation not only saves time but also improves the accuracy and consistency of the documentation. Collaboration is a key strength of SolidWorks Electrical. The software allows multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously, facilitating real-time collaboration and information sharing. Changes made by one user are instantly visible to others, ensuring that everyone is working with the most up-to-date information. In summary, SolidWorks Electrical is a comprehensive tool for electrical design that offers advanced schematic and 3D design capabilities, robust automation features, and excellent collaboration tools. It bridges the gap between electrical and mechanical design, providing a unified platform that enhances efficiency, accuracy, and innovation in product development.